Here I will explain to you. Suppose we have two matrices and we have to prove whether the given matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other or not. So I will explain to you now what does it mean multiplicative inverse of each other. This is one matrix, 3, 4, and we have another matrix, and here I will write down -4, or here I will write down 3. Suppose I have these two matrices and the question is whether these matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other or not. Now what is the meaning of it, multiplicative inverse of each other? We will multiply these two matrices at the end. If our answer is the unit matrix or identity matrix, then it is called the multiplicative inverse of each other. So here I will write down what is the meaning of unit matrix or identity matrix. This is the unit, this is called the unit matrix or the identity matrix. So I am going to solve these two matrices, multiply A and B, and see how we will multiply. 3 multiplied by 7. This row you have to multiply with this column, and here you have to use the positive sign. Then 3 multiplied by -5. Here plus multiply by 5 multiplied by 3. Then this row with this column, and then same row with the second column. 4 multiplied by -5 plus 7 multiplied by 3, and we will see this is 21. Sorry, this is wrong. It is -20. So it will be -20. This is 28, -28. Here is 15 negative, positive. This is 20 and then plus 21. So see, 21 minus 20, which is equal to 1. This is positive and negative will cancel out each other. Same thing here. 1 is here, which is equal to I. If we multiply two matrices, any two matrices, and answer is equal to identity matrix, it means these two matrices are multiplicative inverse of each other. If suppose answer is not unit matrix or identity matrix, it means these are not multiplicative inverse of each other. In the exam, they will not mention you or they will not show you that the identity matrix or unit matrix is equal to 1 0 0 1. You should know if the question is whether these two are multiplicative or inverse of each other or not. So you should know if the answer will come identity matrix, it is multiplicative inverse of each other, otherwise no, right? And thanks for watching.